So I've also become aware that lawyers use language, and that some of the terms that I use and just rattle off and buzz through as we do these videos are words that people either never heard before. If they heard them, it was in the process of a criminal conviction where everything is happening really fast, and maybe you don't know what your lawyer said, or maybe you just picked up on the gist of it, but you don't really know what's going on. And so I'm going to do short sections called glossary or definitions, so people can start becoming familiar with all the language that's used from the beginning when we start searching for a criminal record, to reviewing a criminal record to see what can be cleared and when, and then to the actual filing of a pardon application or an expungement petition. So a lot of the times, the beginning of a case comes down when the police are investigating a crime and they're actually typing up a police report and they're asking the district justice office to issue a criminal complaint. They're asking to either have a bench warrant issued or a summons to ask somebody to come to court. And when the district justice dockets that criminal information, it creates a docket number. The docket number is usually something like CP-36-1234-2005. It's not a mystery to the system about what these numbers are. CP refers to the county of charge, which 36 is Lancaster. Any designation about CR means that it's a criminal charge. And then the docket number that follows that is simply the specific criminal instance that is being issued, where the police are going to come and say, this is what happened on such and such a date. This docket number will always travel with that criminal charge. So there's a similar term called OTN. And OTN stands for offense tracking number. The offense tracking number, which has a similar kind of issuance, it actually usually starts with some letter, and then it's followed by 6 digits and a dash and a 7th digit, something like T123456-6. That OTN is assigned to a criminal instance. It goes into the MDJ docket system, and the MDJ, that's the Magisterial District Justice or District Magistrate, issues an MJ number. So it's the same as the CP number, except this one is at the Magisterial District. It usually starts off with something like MJ dash, the MJ number dash, CR for a crime, or NT for non-traffic, and then whatever number follows that. So this can be confusing, but basically the OTN tracks the offense. The offense goes into the district justice office, where it's given an MJ number. And if a preliminary hearing is held and the case is transferred from the Magisterial District Court to the Court of Common Pleas, then at that level it's given a CP number. So an OTN goes to become a Magisterial District Court docket number, which then becomes a CP docket number. And that's how cases are tracked throughout the research, the investigation, and the criminal record.